Okay, you ready? 1, 2.
Nina.
I forgot you was looking like that.
One, 2. No, I'll be in the thumbnail.
Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I forgot. Okay.
You gonna put that in the video?
Yes.
You did funny.
Okay. Hi, beauty. Hi, beauties. Oh, my forehead like humongous. Jesus, BFS alarm me every day. All right. Okay. So today we're gonna be doing some 2-layer braids on my sister Jasmine. Y'all probably already saw her in the beginning, but I'm sorry, I forgot she was looking like that. Excuse her appearance. She finna get her hair done. But I never did these. I can't even talk. I never did these before, so it's the first time. So y'all wish. I never did these braids before.
You've never done these braids.
I never done these braids before. This is my first time. So, oh y'all look at my little what it is? My little shower cap in back. I forgot I had that. But yeah. So, wish me luck, and we're gonna get started. Okay.
Good luck. Oh Lord.
Oh. All right. I'ma just. When do you want to say anything? Any remarks?
No. Stop.
I thought it was gonna look better. I'm sorry. I really did. I really did.
No, you didn't.
I really did. But all right. I'm trying not to show her face, cause. But Oh, gee. Let me put it back up a little bit.
I was about to say.
Well, all your hair was showing like that at first.
Okay, it's all right.
All right. Thank God. All right, y'all.
This is my face. I just woke up.
Just excuse her. Excuse me. I'm gonna do my hair. Y'all gonna see that in a minute.
I'm gonna look a little bit after. Is it even? How you know it's recording?
It said record.
Oh, I did not see that. I did not see that.
You're so slow. All right, so y'all are gonna need some expression here. She has the color 2. She's getting beads on the end. We're still deciding on if it's gonna be on all or what. We got some bead threaders and beads. Okay, so guys, I could have sworn that I recorded me doing the first braid in detail and all that, but I guess not. But so I'm literally just parting her hair, defining it with a shining gem. I don't think I put that in the video, so I'll put it on the screen. But and then I just feed in the hair. Like, if you want to know like more how to do feed in braids, just watch my other hair videos in my playlist or something like that. It's really simple, but I kind of show you a little bit later how to do it as well, and later in the video. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show y'all how to do the edge. Just take some shears foam. I'm gonna put it on the edges. Then get the comb and just shiny gem and put it on the rest of her. But try not to get the shiny gem on the actual edge, or it'll make it too pretty. Okay, so right here I put some African Pride leave-in cream on her hair. That's why you see that white. And I put it on like every section of her hair. I just didn't like show all of it. But yeah, to moisturize her hair like under this protective style. The clip is just us trying to decide if I wanted to add that extra hair in or like make a smaller part. But we just ended up adding like all the extra hair in. In this clip, you can kind of see a little bit better how I do the feed in, but I just take little piece and then work my way up to bigger pieces to do the feed in. Alright guys, so we have basically it done, but we gotta put the beads on it. And right now, oh my bad, I'm just
ain't too good.
And we're going to dip her ends, and I'll put some mousse on her. Well, actually, I'm gonna put mousse. No, look, I'm dip her ends, and then put mousse on her scalp.
Man, dog.
Okay. You know what is control? Yeah, we can dip her hands. Time for tea, okay. Baby, you should have sat down. You too tall. Okay, we're gonna see you guys later in my AirPod. Alright, so y'all gotta put some a lot of body on her head real quick. Put my camera down. Oh. And make sure y'all put some oil on y'all client scalp. So we forgot to film when we actually did the beads, so we forgot to show y'all the final product. But if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and love you guys. Bye, beauties.